Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great, and let's get right into today's video. So my nails are already prepped. I have a peel off base that I always do, so that's why my nails are shiny. And today I'm going to be using Makartt A Siesta Polygel that you guys seen from my nail haul, and also these nail tips that I got from Shein. They are C-curve coffin long nail tips, and I'm just sizing them out and then I'm gonna glue them on. Now I'm just filing the ends to make them as straight as possible. And today I'm going to use my Makartt brush that I got from the Blue collection to apply the polygel. And so I'm going to start off with the pinky nail, and so it was pretty warm in my room, and the weather really affects when you're applying polygel or acrylic or builder gel, because the warmer the temperature is for gel, the more it's going to move around, and the colder it is, the more stiff it will be. So because it was so warm in my room, it was moving a little bit more than I didn't want to. So it was a little bit more stickier also. So I had to use more alcohol than I normally would, but that was okay. So you see me going back and forth with the alcohol here, just pressing it down from side to side. And what I realized is that going back and forth with the polygel, like moving the polygel towards the cuticle area and then pushing it down, helps me get the shape of the nail way better. So I definitely recommend that. If you're having a hard time using polygel and getting it to the shape that you want and having that apex, try to push the cuticle up, try to push up all the polygel towards the cuticle area and then bring it down. And you'll see me do that several times. Here and on the middle finger, I'm pushing the polygel up, and then I just, gently bring it down. And make sure that you're not like pushing your brush into the polygel. That also will affect your shape and getting it as smooth as possible. So just make sure that you're gently moving the polygel. Now, when you feel like it's a little tough, then you could press it down a little bit, but also use your alcohol. Not too much alcohol in your brush, but use the alcohol. You see I pushed everything up to the top, and now I'm just going to gently bring it down from side to side and then right in the middle, and it created a smooth enough surface for me. And this is how they look when they're all finished curing. And it's just so pretty. I really like this color. I think this is a really perfect nude for all types of designs. So I think this is my like now go to Polygel, and I'm excited to use that because it's really easy and simple. It wasn't difficult at all to use this Polygel. And here you see me going in with my 100 grit nail file and just filing the cuticle area, then the sides and the middle part. I only used my nail file to file these nails down because my application was so smooth that I didn't really need much filing. So that's all I used to file the nails, and it was pretty simple and easy. Also, guys, I just want to remind you, I will be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So please share, tell your friends to subscribe, family. If you like my videos and you want to see more and support me, I would greatly appreciate it. So, thank you guys so much. You guys support me so much now, and I'm just grateful for the little over 700 subscribers I have now. But I want my channel to grow, and I love doing these nails, and I hope that you guys love watching me doing my nails too. So tell your friends. So once I was done filing all the nails, this is how they look. I just sprayed some alcohol. We'll dust them off first and then sprayed some alcohol. And so I decided for this set that I would go in with my Madam Glam gold gel paint and make some Frenchies, some gold deep French tips. And the French, I think, is so in style. Everywhere I see nails, it's like a lot of them are French tips. And I love French tips. I think that it's so classy no matter what color it is. It just looks so beautiful having French tips. So I decided I'm going to go in with some gold French tips. So that is what I'm doing here. To create a simple French tip, you go from one side to the other side, and then what I like to do is make a line down the middle as you see me doing here and just filling everything in. And then to create those angles and perfect the deep French tip, I'm going around right around the edge and just making sure that it's circular. Sorry, it was out of focus. I don't know why my camera was out of focus. I think it was just catching my finger here. My hand was in the way. Sorry about that. But so once I do that, like I said, I just perfect it, make sure that it looks, I always face my finger towards me and then downward, back again, just to make sure that it looks straight and that I fill in all the gaps with the gold and make sure that those lines look straight as possible. And this is how they look after I was all done. Pretty easy doing the deep French tip. Now I'm just gonna add some Makartt top coats and top coat all the fingers and cure that for 60 seconds. Now for this set, even though they were so beautiful, I decided to go in with some gems. And these gems are from my previous nail haul video that I got from AliExpress. I did that video about a month ago. You can check it out, or I'll leave it on top. And these are like my favorite cuticle gems to put at the cuticle area. They are so cute. These are gold with like 3 diamonds on it. And then I decided to go in with this cheetah print diamond shaped gem. And I don't know if you can see closely, but it has like 4 diamonds surrounding it, 1 at the top, 2 at the sides, and then 1 at the end. So once I decided that I was going to use that, I go in with my Rhinestone gel and put my cuticle gems at the cuticle area, cure that for 60 seconds. And then I decided that I wanted to use some crystals, some clear crystals. And I just add the Rhinestone gel there. And then I picked up some 2 crystals right before the cheetah print gem. I put a crystal above it and then below it. So you'll see as I'm doing it here, I'm going to add the cheetah print gem. And then once that is cured, I'm going to place a crystal on top of it, or above it. I shouldn't say on top. And finally, this is the final look, guys. Look how gorgeous these are. I am so in love with this set. I love the deep French tips, and it's gold and shimmery, so sparkly, and these gems really topped it off. Let me know what you guys think. I think these are one of my favorite sets. I feel like I say that all the time, but there are ugly sets that I've made. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.